Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. Edit in Excel action allows you to change records in Excel and publish the changes back to Business Central. Let us use the items as example. Click Quantity on Hand Column Filter. And select the action Edit in Excel. When Excel opens, you will see the Excel add-in pane on the right. You need to provide your sign-in details. Currently, I am already signed in. Edit in Excel does not keep your customized views. As an example, we'll modify one description. Click Publish from the add-in pane. Press F5 to refresh the page in your Business Central.